We are still on geometric progression. Now we want to talk about unknown A and R leading to equation. There are cases where two different terms of a GP that are not close to each other will be given, and we are asked to find the first term A and common ratio R. For example, the third and the sixth term of a GP are 108 and minus 32 respectively. Find 1. Common ratio. 2. First term. Now we are to use the n-term formula, which is un equals ar to the power of n minus 1, where the third term is equal to ar to the power of 2. The third term is 108 as given in the question, which is equal to ar to the power of 2. If we write this in the reverse order, that is ar to the power of 2 equals 108. Let this be equation 1. And then for the sixth term, u6 equals ar to the power of 5. The sixth term is minus 32 as given in the question, which is equal to ar to the power of 5. If we also write this in the reverse order, we have ar to the power of 5 equals minus 32. Let this also be equation 2. Now we are to divide equation 2 by equation 1. That is, ar to the power of 5 equals minus 32 to be divided by equation 2. Ar to the power of 2 equals 108. Now, as we divide, a cancel a, r to the power of 2 divide r to the power of 5, we have r to the power of 3 minus 32 divides 108, we have minus 8 over 27. Now we find the cube root of both sides. So on the left hand side now, the cube root of r to the power of 3 is r, while the cube root of 8 and 27 is equal to, that's minus 8, and minus 8 over 27 is equal to minus 2 over 3. So now we found the common ratio. Okay, so now we substitute the value for the common ratio in equation 1. Alright, so equation 1, which is ar square equals 108, which will now become a bracket minus 2 over 3 bracket to the power of 2 equals 108. Now if we square minus 2 over 3, we have a bracket 4 over 9 equals 108. Now if we cross multiply, we have 4a equals 108 times 9. Then we go ahead to divide both sides of the equation by 4. So we have a equals 108 times 9 divided by 4, which is equal to 243. So the first term is equal to 243. Let us take a look at this example. The third and the sixth term of a geometric progression are 48 and 14/2 over 9 respectively. Write down the first 4 terms of the GP. As usual, we need to first write out the end term formula, which is the end term equals AR to the power of n minus 1. Now, the third term. The third term, which is given as 48 in the question, is equal to AR to the power of 2. If we write this in the reverse order as we did in the previous example, we have AR to the power of 2 equals 48. Let this be equation 1. Then for the sixth term which is given in the question as 14/2/9 is equal to AR to the power of 5. Now we convert the mixed fraction 14/2/9 to improper fraction. So we have 9 times 14, 126, plus 2, 128/9, which is equal to AR to the power of 5. We write this also in a reverse order. So we have AR to the power of 5 equals 128/9. Let this also be equation 2. So now we divide equation 2 by equation 1. Equation 2, AR to the power of 5 equals 128/9 to be divided by equation 1, AR to the power of 2 divided by 48. Okay, so now we have A cancel A, R to the power of 2 divides R to the power of 5, so we have R to the power of 3, which is equal to, by the time we change the division sign to multiplication sign, we have the 48 at the denominator. Okay, so we have 128/9 times 48, and that will give us 8/27. So now, if we cube root both sides of the equation, the R square will be eliminated from the left hand side. So we have R equals the cube root of 8/4 is equal to 2/3, because the cube root of 8 is 2 and the cube root of 27 is 3. So now we substitute the value for the common ratio 2/3 in equation 1. Okay, equation 1, which is AR to the power of 2 equals 48. So now we just substitute 2/3 for R. So A bracket 2/3 to the power of 2 equals 48. The square of 2/3 is 4/9. So we have R bracket 4/9 equals 48. R is equal to, by the time we cross multiply, we have 48 times 9 to be divided by 4. And that will give us 108. Okay, so the terms are, as we know, the first term R, the second term AR, the third term AR to the power of 2, and the fourth term AR to the power of 3. So now that we have A equals 108, okay, so we can get the terms for the remaining 3 terms. Okay, so AR is equals to 108 times 2/3 equals 72. AR to the power of 2, which is the third term, is equal to 108 times 2/3 to the power of 2, which is equal to 48. Then the fourth term, AR to the power of 3 equals 108 times 2/3 to the power of 3 is equal to 32. So the first four terms are 108, 72, 48 and 32. These are the first four terms of the GP.